Unlocking the mystery of rather. Boost your English vocabulary. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to delve deep into the world of English collocations, focusing specifically on a fascinating and versatile component, the adverb of degree. We'll be spotlighting rather, an adverb commonly used with adjectives. So, buckle up and let's explore the magic of rather and how it can significantly boost your English language skills. Rather is an adverb of degree that means to some extent or somewhat. It is often used before adjectives to enhance or slightly modify their meanings. We usually use rather when we want to express that something is more than just a little or slightly. For example, 1. The movie was rather interesting. 2. The food is rather spicy. In both these examples, rather is giving us a sense of degree about how interesting the movie is or how spicy the food is. Though rather can be paired with many adjectives, it commonly collocates with certain adjectives to create a more sophisticated tone in your English. Here are some examples. 1. The questions were rather difficult. 2. It is rather unusual for him to be late. 3. The weather today is rather nice. Notice how the adverb rather tends to pair well with adjectives that express quality or characteristics, such as difficult, unusual, or nice. Although rather is a useful tool, we need to be careful about its placement and the adjectives we use it with. Remember, we usually don't use rather with comparative or superlative adjectives. So, avoid sentences like, she is rather more beautiful, or, this is the rather best movie. Instead, use rather with positive degree adjectives. And there you have it. Hopefully, this session has made the concept of using rather with adjectives clear and understandable. Incorporating rather into your everyday vocabulary will not only help you sound more natural and fluent, but also elevate your English to a more advanced level. Keep practicing, and you'll be a master of rather in no time. See you in our next video, where we continue to uncover more secrets of the English language. Until then, keep exploring and keep learning.